Hello, I'm Russell George and I'm the chair of the Economy, Infrastructure and Skills Committee. The contract that runs rail services in Wales comes to an end next year, and from October 2018 the Welsh Government will have a new contract. Rail services run from the very north to the south of Wales, including on the English borders and including the South Wales Metro. So it lasts around about 15 years and costs around about £3.5 billion. So we want to have a look at two main issues. We want to look at how the Welsh Government have gone about their procurement process and how it's being delivered. We want to know what risks they've identified and how they're taking steps to address them. We also want to be looking at priorities for the network, including the South Wales Metro. We want to make sure that the service for the next 15 years is suitable for travel users using the network. We also want to make sure it's good value for money for passengers and the taxpayer. So to help us with our inquiry, we've written to a range of experts, but we also want to put travel users at the very heart of our inquiry. So we're asking them to come to a special meeting on the 9th of March to give evidence to our committee. We've also got a survey as well, so we're encouraging passengers to take part in that. Our recommendations and final report will be ready at the end of May, and you can follow the committee's work and find out more information by following the link below.